Say good morning to the faves, Ty.
Good morning, faves.
Where are we going?
To the photograph.
Why are you speaking like that?
Because it's American.
Where you get that from?
From American.
You watch too much tablet. That's why. Where do you get that from? Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. Big hair don't scare today.
Mama, you're not that is what Papa are American.
Who says that?
You, Papa, and me.
You are hilarious. You watch too much Blippy. Good morning, Fizz. Husband, can I say morning?
Morning.
Morning.
Hey, if you have to say good morning, I would have said good morning.
Really, honey?
Morning, so I said morning. I'm a nice student.
No, you didn't say morning.
You're the morning.
Like they're begging you for the morning.
I'm a nice student. I follow instruction.
Whatever. Anyway, you guys, it is yes time.
I think Papa and me are funny.
Yes, you and Papa very funny. You guys,
You are more funny than Papa.
it's wait, Ty, let me talk to the faves and then I talk to you. Wait, baby, I soon talk to you. It's the first time that I am picking up the camera since we got home. It's been a few days and I have been we really have been just trying to get into routine. Babe has been super busy. Busy. Honestly, I have to give him his props. I honestly couldn't have done this on my own, and I don't think I could have done it with anybody else. But babe, he's just there when I need him. Babe, he's there. He's getting things done. Trust me, babe is just checking out all the stuff, and I appreciate that a lot.
I'm happy.
Mama.
Yes, Ty?
And then you also watch too much car.
Maybe.
And I watch also too much police car and the Batman car.
Yes, too much. There she is, you guys. Let me see if I can zoom so you guys can see her little face. There she is, Princess sleeping. I was telling you guys that babe has been checking out all the stops since we got home, and I honestly appreciate it. But we're doing good. We're getting there, trying to still not settle, but we'll get into routine. I think the hardest days are behind us already to get into routine, so that's good. Sarah is doing well, but right now we are heading to her newborn photo shoot. Yeah, so that's what we're on our way to, and my birds are out and I'm rocking my natural puff for this photo shoot today. So of course we'll take you guys along and show you as much behind the scenes of this photo shoot as possible. The same photographers that did our maternity shoot, they're the same ones that doing her newborn shoot. So yeah, we are looking forward to these beautiful pictures that they'll be capturing for our girl and for the fam this morning. Anyway, you guys, hope you guys are doing well. If you are new to our channel, be sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below. Love you guys. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys when we get to the photo studio. That's set up for baby. Yeah, look how cute that is. So adorable. Oh. And this is the other one that she's gonna do. So adorable. Oh my gosh, so adorable. Shh. Up. That look like you're hungry. Tu veux lui donner à manger? Oui? Allez, vas-y. Je pense. Ok. Oh my God. Tyler, look at sister.
Oui.
Je veux fermer un peu la fenêtre derrière.
Je ferme un peu.
Maman, l'eau.
Yeah.
L'eau.
You see her? You're gonna go with her soon, okay?
Dedans.
Un long bisou, long bisou. Super, c'est génial. Ouais, trop bien.
C'est chaud. C'est bon, laisse-le.
Oui. Ça donne quoi? Elle plane.
Je sais pas.
Wow.
Closer.
Voilà. Closer. Put your foot that way.
Bouge ta tête.
Right.
Mais il parle français aussi. Hein.
Je sais, mais moi ça m'entraîne à parler anglais, tu vois, donc moi ça me fait une révision, c'est très bien. Je suis content, j'arrive à le comprendre, et tu vois, malgré
Ouais,
que c'est un enfant, j'arrive à le comprendre, donc c'est bon signe.
Oui.
Taylor, look at that. Yeah, look at me. Yeah, very nice. Can you be in the middle in the circle? Put you in the middle, your head in the middle of the circle.
Right.
Okay,
Put
like
back your
that.
hands on the side.
Look at me. Yeah, look at the baby. Look at the baby. Look at the baby. Look at the baby. Yeah, very nice. Look at me all the time. Tyler. Yeah. Nice boy. Oh, beautiful. Look at the baby. Look at the baby. Look at the baby. The head. Yeah. Look at the head. Yeah, very nice. Okay, perfect. Oh, I like. Beautiful. Super.
Toi, c'est
C'est important.
qui voit dans la main, c'est les framboises.
Comment tu dis framboise en anglais?
Raspberry.
Ah, raspberry. Ah oui.
Oh, she's smiling.
Vas-y, fais-en plusieurs et tu fais de manière à ce que moi.
Oh my God, she's so adorable.
Voilà, on a pris mal la tête. Bouge pas la tête.
Adele, come on. Oh, hi. He's like.
Chiant, pas, voilà. Alors voilà, ça revient. Allez, sur la tête. Voilà, c'est bon. C'est capté là.
On essaie de lâcher. Vas-y.
D'accord.
Allez, t'es prêt? Attention, hein, tu tiens bien, hein. D'accord? Allez, installe-toi bien. Et tu la prends comme ça, tu vois. Allez, prends-la.
Hold your hands out. Right.
Juste avant de soulever. Tu tiens fort, fort, fort. D'accord? Attention, regarde. Voilà. Proche ta tête. Tu tiens bien.
Et là, il faut que tu aies le dos droit.
Tiens-toi droit.
You guys, photoshoot went well and it's lunchtime. I know you guys can't. I don't even know if I'll post this part, but we are at Burger King having lunch with the fam.
Quand tu prends un papa et donne.
Come, show us what we got at the supermarket.
This is carrot.
Right.
This is carrot with some potato inside. Mashed potato.
It's not mashed as yet, it's just potato.
And this is monsieur. And this is monsieur potato.
Et ça, c'est Madame Tomatos.
Yeah, this is Madame Tomato.
And tomatoes for who? For you? Okay, what is that?
Broccoli.
No. No. You're a liar. Your pants on fire. You're a liar.
Yes.
And what is that?
That's the broccoli.
And this is broccoli.
No.
This is cucumber.
No, this is zucchini and stop saying untruth. What is this?
Zucchini.
Guys, stop.
This is broccoli.
No. Guys, stop being silly.
What is that? Is
Say
a
the
ball of,
word.
is a football? Is a big football?
What is
Or
that?
is a tennis ball?
What is this one?
A salad.
No, it's cabbage.
What is that? Let's say it.
Cabbage.
No.
No, it's mash.
It's a
It's a
tree.
type of-
It's the tree that you What is that?
Pepper for mama.
Pepper only for mama?
Yes. Because after we do this pepper,
And what
right?
is that?
Mama, what is it?
Ask Papa.
Papa.
It's for who?
It's for the baby.
Salad.
Yes.
And it's called what, Mama?
Ask Papa.
Ça s'appelle en English tétine en français. Tétine. Tétine is what? Needle?
Right. It's for the bottle. It's what go on the end
What
of the
is
bottle.
that? Tyler?
What's that one, guys? It's avocado.
Avocado for you. I don't know.
More pasta.
Honey,
Right.
why do you always take treat? Hey, in Jamaica. What's your phone
I'll
now?
soon tell you
This
what
is
it is.
whopper carrot.
Come.
Well,
Green
let's just say
beans.
that
This
Sarah
is
don't
whopper
eat.
carrot.
Yes, Sarah don't eat yet.
So,
So you only take three.
I can't see.
What this?
This is to a tennis racket?
No, it's to cook.
Is the cookie sure?
Yes.
I'm not sure. Look, there's the tennis ball here.
No,
And the tennis racket.
no, this is to cook and this is salad.
Right.
And what is that for?
Soup. This is a soup.
This is to give
And
flavor.
also
Show.
salad.
So what is that?
This is
Yes, but what is it written?
soup,
Okay, what is it written here?
pot,
Nice. Pour. Ça c'est quoi? O.
O. Vert.
Non, c'est pas un R, ça c'est quoi? Alors c'est poteau.
Feu.
Feu.
Poteau feu.
And what is that?
That's bouillon they just showed you.
This is feu.
Oats to make porridge.
Porridge.
Yay!
Porridge for who?
Me.
This is apple juice. This is only what babe drink. And this is the second one. I'm gonna have to do like power to get 10 of it.
This is donut.
This is donut for Papa.
And for me.
And not for you.
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
So give it to Mama before you break. If you break, you don't get none. If you break, you don't get none.
I didn't break it.
Okay. What is that, Tyler?
It's salmon. It's
Show.
It's salmon or fish, Mama?
It's not fish. You don't look like fish. Tyler.
Salmon.
It's fish tide, only Papa
Fish.
fish.
That's not fish. You know what is fish? Fish do. Does it look like fish?
Yes, it is.
Are you ready to do this?
Look at Mama.
Oh, God. Give it to Mama. Give it to Mama before.
Oh, thank you.
Wow, that's broccoli, man. Broccoli.
What else? What else? Finish?
Give that. Dancer, Mama. No. Okay. What is that? Strawberry. But it's frozen strawberry.
It's to make.
Because Mama is hot. Mama is very hot, so she needs foods to cool herself.
That's mango pie.
This is frozen mango.
Very good.
Right, high five. Broccoli, 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 broccoli. And where are the frozen broccoli?
That's it for the supermarket run.
Well, there you guys have it. You guys were just getting back from photo shoot, and we make a quick stop at the supermarket because I wanted some veggies. I didn't have any. I didn't buy any veggies before I go into the hospital. So now that I'm out, I needed veggies. So I got those, and now my girl is crying because she is just waking up from the photo shoot. So I'm going to clean her up and give her some goodness. Look at her crying.
Broccoli. Broccoli.
Hey. Alright, food coming. Food coming. Oh. I am making din for the fam. I'm making dinner. And you are doing your Lego? Yeah, Tyler jumped right into building his Lego as we got home. There he is building his Lego. There's Papa with his girl chilling. And Mama is in the kitchen. So for dinner today, I made salad. What's the correct pronunciation for this vegetable, babe? Mash?
Potato.
Yeah,
Mash.
Potato.
Not this time, Ty. This vegetable is green is called mash. I really like it. And I paired that with some tomatoes. I had it at the hospital and it reminded me how good it was, and I haven't had it in a while. And I'm going to do this fish on the stove. And then another thing I fell in love with at the hospital was their vegetable soup. So I am making vegetable soup for the second time since I got home from the hospital. So in here, tell her, wait, I soon talk to you. In here I have broccoli, I have zucchini, I have carrot and salt and one bouillon. And then over here, ow, that hot. Over in this one, I am cooking quinoa. So those are all the things for dinner tonight. Okay, you guys, my job here is done. Here goes dinner. Vegetable soup, vegetable, fish, and quinoa. And of course, baby girl have her milk. Alright, fam bam. Let's go. Dinner time.
Here is your baby, your big baby. Big one.
She's out? Yes, she's.
Hello, mommy.
Oh, cry, mama, cry.
Oh, yes?
She has time. She has 1 minute.